Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you what I found in Hobby Lobby. As you can tell, I am extremely excited. Today was my first time actually going to Hobby Lobby. I am so happy that I made the decision to take the trip to go to Hobby Lobby. I'm like so excited. It's kind of ridiculous, but I'm looking forward to showing you what's in the stores. I'm gonna show you a few items that really piqued my interest, and I hope that you enjoy this video. When I walked into the store, it felt so magical, and I know that may be a little dramatic, but I'm like being genuine. Like, it felt so magical walking in that store. You know, one thing you'll learn about me is that I absolutely love the holidays. So going to Hobby Lobby and seeing what they have in store for the fall and even for Christmas, they did have some Christmas items. So it just really got me excited, and I'm genuinely, truly looking forward to the holiday season this year. So come along with me to the store, and I hope that you enjoy this video, and also stick around because I'll be sharing a few items that I couldn't help but purchase. If you saw my previous DIY video, you know that I revamped a vase similar to this one. This definitely reminds me of the olive jars sold at Olive Atelier, but here at Hobby Lobby, this vase is a lot cheaper. These beautiful brown jars are a great item for this fall. There are many floral options that would complement these very well. My rule of thumb is to decorate darker vases with lighter color florals and lighter vases with dark tone florals. If I didn't already have a lot of vases, I would have purchased one of these. The vintage ceramic look of these is stunning and another great option for this fall. When I saw these, I fell in love. The wood detail caught my attention. When I picked it up though, I realized it wasn't real wood, but it's plastic, so that was disappointing. But nevertheless, this is very beautiful. This plaid pumpkin will add a nice pop of color to any space. This would look nice styled on an entry table, bookshelf, or end table. I like the rustic look of this next pumpkin, and what is special about this is that it lights up. This will definitely bring warmth and add charm to any space, especially during the evenings. I love the size, shape, and color of these two pumpkins. The purple tones of this hydrangea stem caught my eye. The cone shape is unique and reminds me of the ones sold at A Floral, but these are half the price at $17.99 before the discount compared to the price at A Floral of $38. I thought this was black, but the website says that this wreath is blue. I'm not usually a fan of dark colored wreaths, but this is pretty. With the shade of blue they used in different light, you can see black in various hues of blues, which is quite unique. Seasonal items can be pricey, so I look for items that are versatile and that can be used year-round. This is a great pillow to style for fall, but can also be used for the winter. Let me know if you agree in the comments. This next item immediately caught my eye. This is labeled as a spring item, so it may be difficult to find in the stores, but like the last item, this is a versatile piece and can be used throughout the year, helping to save you money. This would look beautiful repurposed and placed in a vintage brass frame. I love the warm colors in this art piece. Here is a gorgeous rattan tray that can be styled in various ways. I usually only buy wicker or rattan trays and baskets at thrift stores because there is such an abundance there and it's so much cheaper. Nevertheless, this is well made and a beautiful tray. This mini ladder would be fun to style. You can place this on your kitchen countertop and style this with a mini beaded garland and a kitchen towel. You can also DIY this by using a tan or brown paint color to give a distressed look and by adding brown velvet ribbon to hang on the wall. These taper candle holders. They are available in brown, green, and white. The price for 3 in a pack is unbeatable. These mushroom pot holders are so adorable. This would be great to not only use, but to display in the kitchen. The autumnal colors in this table runner are absolutely beautiful. This is also thick and great quality. I hope you enjoyed the walk throughout Hobby Lobby, and I hope that this inspired you to eventually purchase some items and to have some sort of idea of how you're going to decorate for this upcoming fall season. I'm going to now share with you a few items that I couldn't help but purchase, and I'm really excited to get your thoughts and to see what you think. So the first item is this beautiful stem. It is gorgeous. There were only 2 left today, so I ended up purchasing the last 2. These were $5.99 with 40% off. This next item, it was a hot commodity today in the store. This other woman in the store picked them up and I saw them in her cart and I asked her where she got them from. And she was just as excited as I was about seeing this in the store. It's a beautiful burnt orange, brown, amber color. And I just love the different hues throughout the leaves, and I cannot wait to style this. I may make a beautiful tablescape. I may put this in a vase. I'm not sure, but I look forward to styling this. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so for this next item, don't judge me. I know I know this item may be a little too early to purchase, honestly, but I couldn't help it. It's this beautiful pumpkin. Look at the details in this pumpkin. This pumpkin actually has some weight to it, so this pumpkin is really great quality. It's heavy, and I just love the beautiful details throughout. This pumpkin was $43.99 with 40% off. And I just couldn't leave this in the store. It's just beautiful, and I can't wait to show you how I style it this season. Okay, I know I just said don't judge me, but I did get another pumpkin. This one is also really beautiful. I love the green hues in this. I love the orange, the browns. I just think it's really beautiful. This one is a lot lighter than the one I just showed you. This one is also $14.99 with 40% off, so it's a pretty great deal. And it's a substantial size. It's a really great size, and I really look forward to decorating with this one as well this season. Now this item I purchased because it seems like this item is going to be very popular this year. This was the last one, and when I spoke to the sales associate, she said that the rack was stocked with these this morning, and now this was the last one. So I think it's so adorable, these little pumpkins on top. I can't wait to put this in my tea and my hot cocoa this fall. So I just am genuinely excited about this item. I know it's just spoons, but they're really, really adorable, and I couldn't help but buy them. So this is the next item I purchased. It's beautiful. I absolutely love this taper candle holder. I love the detail going around. The color is just gorgeous. It's a nice brown color. And it came in 3 different styles. It was 3 in a pack for $12.99. This style here is also gorgeous. I just love the detail here, and I love the way, I love the shape of this one. This is the last one, and it's also just beautiful. I really love the detail in these 3 taper candle holders. And it's a steal. I saw these at West Elm a few days ago, and I wanted to purchase them, but I was like, man, it's so expensive at West Elm, and it's only, I think they only come 1 in a pack. So to purchase 3 in a pack, the original price is $12.99, and to get 40% off, I thought this was a steal, and I could not help but buy them. So I'm really looking forward to styling these this year. Okay, last but not least are these 2 beautiful glass jars. These are darker than the previous ones that I just showed you, and I love, love, love this color. They're both $2.99 with 40% off. And I can't wait to style these. This one you can put a tea light candle in. It's safe to do so, it says on the bottom, and I'm really looking forward to putting these on some shelves. I'm looking forward to include this in a tablescape. I'm looking forward to having fun with these and seeing where I can add them throughout the house. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you found some inspiration from some items that I just showed you today. I know it's a bit early to be thinking about fall, and please don't feel pressure to buy anything. I know you probably see a lot of influencers and brands promoting their fall items right now, but it is early. Enjoy the rest of the summer, and these items will most likely still be around when you're ready to purchase in the fall if you can. I look forward to showing you how I'm gonna style all of these items throughout my home this fall, so stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and put your notification bell on so that you'll know when I post the next video. I look forward to continue sharing with you items that I'm going to decorate my home with, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.